How to log into your Boost mobile account step by step. In here, very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Boost mobile is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. After opening the application, here what we're going to do is simply make sure that we remember our credentials, right? So simply tap on sign in order to log into your account. After doing that, we'll get into this particular link where you'll need to add in your email address or your phone number. So after adding down your email address or phone number, you can tap on continue, and after doing that, you can actually add in the password of your Boost mobile account. So after adding down the password of your Boost mobile account, all you need to do is tap on login, and just like that, you will actually be logged into your Boost mobile account. So yeah, that is basically it. First of all, add in your email address or phone number, then tap on continue, then simply add in the password and then log into your account. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.